We are the Werner family. My name is Jill Werner. This is Richard and our son Sawyer. And we are in the thick of cherry harvest right now. We're standing in one of our orchards that have been in our family for almost 100 years at this point. Sawyer is the 5th generation of our family farm. We call ourselves Werner Tree Fruits.
So with FairPick and FairTrak, we have, as of almost 8 years ago?
Yeah, 2017 we started.
We had a demo and kind of quickly found out that these were the way to go. We're using their scale systems to be able to weigh and be able to pay by the pound for what the guys pick instead of paying them by the lug, which has made a huge difference in many aspects of his operation. Then on the other side, we are using their hand scanners,
The FairTrak
to compare as we're using the FairTrak system to be able to track how many bins of apples or pears a guy will pick in a day. It's been saving us a lot of time and makes in the office and out here even
and in the
makes
field
life easier for everybody. And the pickers enjoy being able to be paid for what they actually pick instead of kind of guessing how full something was. Well, from when we did it 8 years ago, we figured probably $10,000 a year. But as of now, with the increase in wages and the increase in volume that we're picking, in theory, we could save $40,000 this year because we were overpaying probably about $1 a lug.